In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit signature in DocuSign. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your updated signature appears every time you sign. Start by opening DocuSign in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. It usually shows your initials. Click that icon to open your account menu, then choose Manage Profile. This takes you to your personal settings, where you can control how your information and signing preferences are saved. On the left side of the profile page, select Signatures. This is where all your saved signatures and initials live. Find the signature you want to update. To the right, you'll see an Actions menu. Click Actions, then click Edit. That opens the signature editor so you can make changes without affecting your previous documents. Inside the editor, you'll see a preview area that includes a line reading signed by, followed by your name and initials. Click that preview to confirm everything looks correct. If your name or initials aren't displaying the way you expect, make sure your account details are accurate. Keeping your legal name and preferred initials up to date ensures your signature appears correctly on future envelopes. Now choose how you want the signature itself to appear. You can type your name to use one of DocuSign's pre-formatted styles, draw it using a mouse, trackpad, or stylus, or upload a clear image of your handwritten signature. If you upload an image, aim for a high-contrast file on a clean white or transparent background so it looks crisp on different documents. When the options appear, click the style you want so it's clearly highlighted. This tells DocuSign which version to use going forward. Take a moment to check the initials block as well, making sure it matches your chosen style and reads cleanly. When you're happy with everything, click Create to save your changes. That's it. Your updated signature is now adopted. The next time you're asked to sign, DocuSign will use this new version automatically. If you ever want to replace a signature entirely or keep multiple versions, remember that the Actions menu on the Signatures page also lets you delete an older signature or add a new one. Just keep readability and consistency in mind, especially for formal or legal documents. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more accurate signature experience in DocuSign.